Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I will show you how to untag people in photos that you have uploaded. So let's begin. First, open up the Instagram app. Once you have it open, go to your profile page, and to do that, look on the bottom left-hand corner. Do you see this icon over here? It's to the right of the heart symbol. Tap on that, and this will take you to your profile page. Once here, find the photo with the that has the tags that you like to remove. Okay, and this is the photo that has the tags that I want to remove. So I want to remove that tag over there. Okay, to remove that, what I'll do is if you look on the upper right hand corner of this photo, so up here somewhere, tap on those three dots. All right, this menu should appear. Once this menu appear, look over here on the third option where it says edit. Tap on that. Okay, now it tells you one person is tagged in this picture. To remove that person, just tap anywhere on the photo. Actually, no, sorry. Tap on the where it says one person or whatever how many people that you have tagged into your photo. So tap right there. Okay, and it takes me into the tag menu. Once I'm here, start just like they say here, tap again to remove. So I'll tap anywhere on the picture. Oh, sorry. Oops. I'll tap on the tag that I would like to remove. So say I want to remove this tag, I'll tap on it, and then it gives me the X. Click on where you see the X, and that removes it. Okay, that's how you can remove a tag on a photo. And also another way that you can remove it, I believe, if you take it and drag it. What can I throw it out? They say press. Oh, just to move it. Okay, but to remove it, you tap on it and then you click on the X. All right, that's how you can remove it. And then don't forget to click on the upper right hand corner where it says done. And as you can see, nobody's tagging the picture anymore. Okay, that's how you remove tags on Instagram. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.